show you guys, because as a woman, it shouldn't matter the weather as long as when you get inside, it's not that hot. You feel me? Or it's not that cold. You know what I'm saying? So first I'm going to do my hair. Y'all, I'm natural, so I don't really like putting too much heat on my hair, even though I straighten my hair like every single week. So I'm going to go in with a few hair products. First thing I like to use is this Good Behavior spray by IGK. It's one of my favorites to straighten up my hair. I love this living proof hairspray. It's a heat protectant. It's really, really good. And then in the end, we're going to go in with this. It's an Orbe Dry Finishing Hairspray. Actually, this one is Dry Shampoo, which is actually fine because I haven't washed my hair in days. So, yeah, I'm going to put on a bra real quick and come right back. Okay, girlies, if you're natural like me and you don't like to put a lot of heat on your hair, and you're about to go out, like on a date night or something, you don't have a weave or anything like that, what you want to do is, if you want to recreate this style, just part your hair, like the top half of it. This way, like, none of this half is getting heat on it. Okay, so I'm just parting this. And I'm going to go ahead and spray my heat protectant all in here. Because, like, I don't know, you can never use too much in my opinion. And then I'm going to go ahead and spray my Good Behavior hairspray. You guys, this basically adds like a lot of shine to your hair and it silks it out. Okay, so I'm going to take the top half of my hair and I'm going to go ahead and just start parting. And what I'm going to do is we're going to do crimps. So to do a crimp with a flat iron, bubble it up, bubble it down, bubble it up, bubble it down, bubble the ends down straight, and then you should get like this wavy little texture. You can lightly see it here. And then I'm going to go ahead and part my hair because we can't.
Drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, walking on the low, smoking on the low. I've still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The furthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, walking on the low, smoking on the low. I've still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The furthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know.
Do it like that. And then for the front, y'all, I take like smaller pieces. And for this, I just care like if my hairline is straight. I don't necessarily care if my actual roots are straight or anything like that, because that's not really like the point of this style. Like, it's kind of supposed to look There's a clip-in in here. I take the clip-in and I just add it to the front of my head, just to even out like my haircut all the way around. So, and it also adds like a little bit of fullness, because you know sometimes we be needing that little extra fullness if you have fine hair like I do. My hair is actually like super fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and part out this little section in the front, because the front, y'all, you kind of want to take like a smaller piece. I feel like that's the trick. Start your crimp like right at your eyebrow.
The furthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, walking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low.
Once you're done, your hair should look kind of like this. And you see, I didn't touch the underneath. It's poofy. I don't care. I'm not the kind of person who cares about that. To add more volume, you can take the dry shampoo and you can go ahead and spray it inside. You can, this will also add texture if you just want to spray it through. You see now it's like a tiny bit more piecey. So you can just kind of pull your hair up, spray it, let it fall down. It's a little more piecey and this stuff smells amazing. Now let's get into this makeup. I changed into a sweatshirt. I changed again. I'm like one of those people that'll throw on a whole bunch of different things throughout the day. For the makeup, I'm gonna go ahead and start with this primer. I got gifted it, so I have no idea where it came from. I'm actually gonna go in with a lot. We're just gonna put this all over our face. I'm going in with a really light makeup today. I don't like doing heavy makeup, actually. I know some girls are really into that, but personally me, I'm not into that. When I do my makeup, the first thing I normally start with is, as a matter of fact, y'all, I can't really say I do my makeup in any particular order, but I'm gonna go ahead in with some concealer, and I use Tarte in the shade Tan Deep Sand. This shade is actually a little bit lighter than what I'm normally used to, but I just go ahead and put it under my eye like that. And then I go ahead and just, to lift my face, connect my eye to my hairline. Connecting the eye to the hairline, and then I put some here. I'll put some around here. I'll put a little bit up here today. I normally don't do that, but I'll do that today. And then I'll go ahead and do a little bit on my nose today. If y'all see me looking off, it's because I'm looking into the camera screen, because I need to be able to see to do my makeup. So my normal color, if you want just a more natural concealed look, it actually doesn't even say the shade name. I don't know what this shade name is, but I normally will go in with my skin tone color. And then what I do to kind of blend this concealer look in so that it's not too bright is I take this Anastasia foundation stick, and to connect it all, I go right next to it, because this is the same color as my skin, y'all. I don't really like that super bright look. I can't really stress that enough to y'all. I don't really like that look. So I go in with that color. And now I'm gonna let it sit for a couple minutes. While it sits, while I'm gonna let this sit for a couple minutes. While this sits, I'm gonna go ahead and put my contour lines on. Okay, y'all, for contour, I use the YSL Beauty Corrector Pen, and I I just added here above my hairline. I added here. Take it, connect it from your nose to here. Snatch your nose in. You can add a little of your jawline. I normally don't, but since we're here. And now let's go ahead and blend everything through. So I noticed that I like blending with a brush better, so I'm just gonna blend with a brush. Y'all, this isn't really giving like a makeup tutorial, so I'm gonna just go ahead and speed through this because to me the outfit is what matters the most. As I finished my makeup, it's very simple, very natural, I guess. Now basically we are going to get into the outfit. My favorite part is always the outfit. Y'all, so these are the most coolest jeans that I've ever found in my life. And they are inside out jeans. And when I got them, you guys, they were so big on me. A lot of people think that I don't know, be wearing baggy jeans. But it's not really that I wear baggy jeans. It's literally, every time I get a pair of jeans, they never fit me right. They never fit me. They end up being baggy. I got these tailored 2 or 3 times. I think like 2 or 3 times, y'all. I can't remember. I spent more money getting them tailored than I did on the actual pair of jeans. And they still don't fit me properly, so I'm going to show y'all a little trick that I do. And then with these pair of jeans, we're going to wear... I'm gonna throw on this top and you'll see how this goes, okay? With these jeans, I put on a black Skims thong, and the reason why I put on a black Skims thong is because these jeans hang a little bit off of my waist, and since the detailing is black at the waist, then my black underwear showing if we're out in public, it's not really that bad, you know, because it kind of looks like it's a part of the jeans. So that's a little trick, y'all. If you guys have like a tiny waist, and anybody out there who struggles with finding jeans that fits like me, that's a little trick that you can do for an outfit like this, okay? But let's put this top on. Alright, and when you have people helping you with your clothes, y'all, it's easier to just have a visual representation for them so that y'all aren't figuring it out for 30 minutes. So these are the jeans, and this is the underwear that I was telling you about. So it's Skims. Majority of my underwear is normally Skims or Urban Outfitters. But anyways, if my pants were to like come down a little bit or whatever, it's not that big of a deal. So now for shoes, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on a pair of sneakers. Okay, for shoes, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on these pair of sneakers. They're just cream Nikes. I have Nikes that are other colors, but this is literally what's in front of me right now. And the good news about these jeans is that your shoes really don't show. To be honest with you, they don't show. Girls, when y'all be wearing tops like this, be careful, because we really be playing Russian roulette with these outfits. We really be playing Russian roulette. Like, no one talks about how we play Russian roulette with these outfits that we choose to wear. Alright, I'm out at this arcade place